Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Masters. Welcome back. We are going to go right into the problem. So take a moment and hit that subscribe button. And of course, hit that bell so you can be alert when I post a new video. Without any delay, let's get active. Let's say they ask you to do this kind of problem. Let's say they say 3x plus 15. And they say find the inverse, all right, of this function. So in the previous video, I forgot to give you guys an example of what to do. But now, since we are doing an exercise, you're going to see what to do to find the inverse. So to find the inverse of a function, you remember when we were doing something like this, 3x plus 15 equals to 0? Or let's say they said y equals to, let's say they said that y equals to 3x plus 15, and they said, well, find the 0 of the function, or right, or find the x-intercept. In order to find the x-intercept, you make y to become 0, and to find the y-intercept, you make x equal to 0, right? Well, when it comes to finding the inverse of a function, like right here, when they said f of x, I forgot to put that part, f of x equals to 15, equals to 3x plus 15. Basically what they're saying is y equals to 3x plus 15, right? So that part we already know. Now, how do you find the inverse? Well, it's very easy to do. All you have to do is interchange x and y. So instead of y equals to 3x plus 15, you're going to do x equals to 3y plus 15. Okay? And now, what you are going to do, you're going to look for y. Right? We're going to solve for y. So instead of solving for x, you're going to solve for y. Now, how do you solve for y? We're going to make sure you keep y by itself. So you're going to subtract 15 on both sides, right? So that will be equal to x minus 15 equals to 3y. And then we're going to divide by 3 on both sides, right? So that will be y equals to x minus 15 over 3. And so this is the inverse, right? Y equals to x minus 15 over 3 is the inverse of y equals to 3x plus 15. And that's your answer. Let's do another one. We're gonna do like a few examples on this one. So let's do another one. Let's say we have this. We're gonna do let's do f of x equals 2x squared plus 2. So that means y equals to 2x squared plus 2. So is this gonna have an inverse? Well, I'm gonna guess something. I'm gonna guess no, but then I'm gonna have to show that it doesn't have an inverse. And if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. Let's say we're gonna do interchange x and y. So that will be x equals to 2y squared plus 2. So I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides, and I get x minus 2 equals to 2y squared. I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides, which means x minus 2 over 2 equals to y squared. Now I have y squared. I'm going to take the square root of on both sides, right? That would be y equal to plus or minus the square root of x minus 2 over 2. But remember, when it comes to um, having more than one y, we said earlier what? That there cannot be y cannot have two x's. So because y has two x's, that means this is not a one-to-one function, so it does not have an inverse. So basically, no inverse. No inverse function. So yes. So that was correct, basically. Well, let's do a third one. And then we're gonna move to and we're gonna do part number 3. Let's say it's pretty simple. Let's say we have f of x equals to 3/4 x minus 4. And we want to find out, so basically we're going to have y equals to 3/4 x minus 4. So we're going to interchange those. So we're going to have x equals to 3/4 y minus 4. So I'm going to add 4 on both sides, right? So I get x plus 4 equals to 3y over 4. And so I'm going to multiply by 4 on both sides times 4 on both sides, right? So I get 4x plus 4 equals to 3y. And I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides. So I get 4/3 x plus 4 equals to y. So basically, y equals to 3/4 plus x plus 4 minus 4. Y equals to 3/4 x minus 4 is the inverse of y equals 4/3 x plus 4. And that's your answer. And that's it, guys. This is how simple it is, This is how simple it is. So I hope you guys actually understand what happened. I hope you guys understand the concept. And if you have any question, don't forget you can put it on the comment section below. This is Mastad. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. I hope to see you guys again. Until then, Mastad out.